Hello guys! Today we are going to do a model of gas detector system in Tinkercad. A gas detector is a device that detects the presence of gas in an area, often as part of a safety system. A gas detector system can sound an alarm while gas leakage occurs. Let's start our project. The first component we need for this project is a gas sensor. Let's choose this gas sensor. You can see gas sensor has 6 pins: A1, H1, A2, B1, H2 and B2. So we will connect these pins to Arduino. When we click on Start Simulation, you can see gas around the sensor. We can drag it to near the sensor and far to the sensor. So when this gas is near to the sensor will detect the value. Let's see how we will connect the pins of gas sensor to Arduino. You have A pins, H pins and B pins. Out of 2 H pins, 1 pin will be connected to supply and the other to ground. A and B pins are interchangeable. These pins will be tied to the supply voltage. And finally, B pins, 1 pin will act as output while the other will be pulled to ground. So here you can see A1, H1 and A2 will be connected to 5 volt and H1 and B2 to ground and B1 to A0. So here we will connect B2 to a resistor of 220 ohm resistance value, and this resistor will connect it to the ground. So this is the connection of gas sensor to Arduino. The next component we need is Arduino. So drag and drop Arduino from the component list. Name it as Arduino Uno. You can rotate it. Yes. Now we need a breadboard. So let's choose this small breadboard. Now we can place the gas sensor in this breadboard like this way. We need an alarm to make sound while gas leakage occurs. So we need to select that too. Can you see a component called piezo? That is the buzzer. Let's drag and drop it and place it in the breadboard like this. Now we need LEDs as indicators. So select that too. We need 2 LEDs. So name this LED as LED 1. Now select one more and name it as LED 2 and make the color green. We have 2 indicators, green and red. If there is no gas leakage, green LED will be on, and if there occurs any gas leakage, then buzzer will make sound with red LED on. So I am placing the red LED and green LED in the breadboard. Let's connect these components to Arduino. First of all, drag a wire from 5 volt pin of Arduino and connect it in the horizontal connection of the breadboard. Let's connect it in this horizontal connection. Make the wire color red as it is the positive connection. You know that these all holes share the same positive connection. Now drag the wire from here and connect it to this positive horizontal connection. Make the color red. Next, draw a wire from ground pin. We have 3 ground pin available. From any of the 3, drag a wire. Now place this wire and the negative horizontal connection. So just attach it here. Make the wire color black. So these all share the negative connection. Now from here, drag the wire and place it over here. Make the wire color black. Now let's connect the gas sensor to Arduino. So we have connected the 5 volt to this connection of breadboard, and we just bypassed the positive connection to here. Now connected the ground to this negative horizontal connection and bypassed the negative connection to other negative connection. Now let's connect this gas sensor to Arduino. We need to connect A1, H1 and A2 to 5 volt supply. Let's connect these pins here so that it will get the 5 volt supply. Make the wire color red, as this is the positive connection. So we connected A1, H1 and A2, and this B1 must be connected to A0 pin of Arduino. Let's connect that. This A2, H2 and B2 will be connected to ground. We can connect that before. Drag a wire from A0 and connect it to B1 of gas sensor. Make the wire color orange. Let's connect this H2 to ground. You can connect it to this connection so that H2 will get the ground. Make the wire color black. While we connect B2, we need to include a load resistor which serves to adjust the sensor's sensitivity and accuracy. So place the sensor here, one of the terminal of resistor to B2 of sensor and other to negative connection. The resistance value must be changed to 220 ohm. Let's connect this terminal of resistor to ground. Make the wire color black. So yes. Now we need to connect the buzzer and LEDs. This must be connected to digital pins of Arduino. Buzzer has 2 terminals. One is positive and the other is negative. We need to connect the negative terminal of buzzer and LEDs to ground connection. Connect that. Connect the cathode of LED to negative. We will make all the negative connection wire black and the positive connection wire red. Now connect the positive terminal of buzzer to D9 of Arduino. Just drag the wire from positive connection and attach it to the D9 of Arduino. Let's make the wire color yellow. This is the output, and anode of red LED to D8. So I'm connecting the anode of red LED to D8. Let's make the wire color blue. And finally, anode of green LED to D7. just connect that. And yes, now make the wire color brown. So we are done with the connection. Now we need to do the coding. The code, and here change blocks to text. Now delete these scripts. Here we have 1 input and 3 output pins. So A0 is the input. Delete this and write A0, input. Now 7, 8 and 9 pins are output pins. So write the code to determine 7, 8 and 9 are output pins. After this, initiate the serial monitor. So write the code to initiate the serial monitor. Let's comment each line. So we will put double slash and we'll write the comment. A0 is the input, which is the gas sensor. That is, we have connected B1 of gas sensor to A0. Now to 7th pin, we connected the anode of green LED. To 8th pin, we connected the anode of red LED. And finally, to the 9th pin, we connected the positive of buzzer. Now we need to read the analog input first. So write the code for that. To print the data of gas sensor to transmit pin, write the syntax serial.println. And then apply a delay. So these codes will help us to read the value detected by gas sensor in serial monitor. Now click on Start Simulation. You can see the values of amount of gas leakage detected by the gas sensor in serial monitor. You can see the value changes when we drag the gas near and far to the gas sensor. So the value in serial monitor is keep changing as the gas sensor detects the amount of gas leakage. Now we need to apply the conditions. That is when gas leakage occurs and when there is no gas leakage. So we will apply the condition as if sensor detects the value which is less than 23, then the buzzer and the red LED must be off. So we need to make the 8th and 9th pin low and 7th pin high to make green LED on. So here we will make the 7th pin high and 8th and 9th pin low. Here we will write 7, high and 8, low, 9, low. guys, that is, if value is greater than 23, then we will make the red LED and buzzer on and green LED off. To make the pin 7 low, 8 and 9 high. So delete low and type high here. Now click on Start Simulation and you can see the green LED is on because the value of gas is less than 23. Now to make this buzzer and red LED on, we can drag this gas near to the gas sensor. So when this gas sensor detects the gas leakage which is greater than 23, you can see the red LED is on and also the buzzer is making sound. So guys, try doing this project by yourself. We will meet again in next session with another Tinkercad project. Till then, bye.